lot about our newest security feature here at STARS, and we are finally ready to start implementing our check-in kiosk. So I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough video so that you guys know how to use it once you get here. So first thing you do when you walk up, you should be at this screen. So if you're checking in, all you have to do is click on check in. You're going to be, if you're a visitor, which most of the time it will be for visitors, although there is one for a substitute teacher and volunteer as well, and tardies. But in this case, we're just going to click on visitor. Then we're going to click on the green arrow here. And now it has where you can scan your license. So you're going to take your license, you're going to put it in front of the scanner. So once it's accepted your license, sometimes it may take a couple of times scanning it, but you're going to come back up here to the screen. You're going to check your reason for being at school today. Then you'll select the location where you'll be. And then it's going to take a photo. You'll look over here on the webcam. Click the picture. Okay. And then it will print out your visitor badge for the day. This is the badge that you'll need to wear as you walk around campus. See, it gives you the reason, the time you checked in, and the location you should be at. So once you're done and you're ready to check out, you're going to come back to the kiosk. You're going to click on quick scan out. Once you've clicked on that, you're going to come down. You see your badge has a QR code, so you're going to scan that. And then you're now checked out successfully. Okay. All right. So the other reason you would need it is if you are checking in for a tardy. So you'll click on check in. You'll click on tardy. You'll type in your student's name. I'm going to type in my son's name, and you'll see as you type it in, it will it'll give you names in a drop-down menu to choose from because it's linked with our Power School, so it has every kid in the school there. Then you'll select your reason. He probably slept late. Excused or unexcused, which doesn't really matter. Miss Kim will be the one that makes that change in Power School. So, and then you're given your tardy slip, and this is what your student will need to take to their teacher. All right, so relatively easy and painless. So we appreciate you guys bearing with us and using this new form just to keep us a little safer.